Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create a landing page using AI and publish it instantly. No coding, no WordPress, and no hiring a designer. So this will be perfect for business owners, creators, or anyone who wants a website that converts without touching code. So first you can just open your browser and go to the AI landing page builder. You can use tools like Web AI or Durable AI. There are also other options such as Hostinger AI, Website Builder, Wix AI, or Framer AI. But here I'm going to use Durables. It's fast and beginner friendly. So you can just open the durable.co in here and you can click on start for free. Then you will be asked to create a free account. You can use your Google account, Apple, or sign up with your email. So in here I'm choosing to sign up using my email account. Then once you enter your email account, you'll be asked what type of business that you build. You can just choose the category or type in your business and the monthly revenue. Click on next again, and where is your business located and the name of your business. And then you can just tap on start building. And you'll see this page in here, this dashboard. So to view your landing page, you can just go to your website in here. You can click on view website. And then here you can customize your landing page. So you can edit the headline. You can replace the stock photos, add your call to action button, add your benefits and product features, and also add testimonials if you have any. You can just modify it by clicking on this customize. So it's still loading, but you can just click on this button in here to customize your landing page. So once it's done, you can just click on save and then you can publish it. So you can choose the free domain and connect your own domain if you have one. Just like that, your landing page is live. So in here you can see the publish options and you can click on customize to edit it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.